back to Jiggity's tutorials. As you're well aware, one of the most important parts of selling products is getting paid for them. In order to set up your payment information, you need to go to your Vendors button at the top of the page and click Vendors. If you remember, this is where you originally set up your vendor account page. Please click the name of your company and scroll all the way to the bottom. You will see a button that says Connect with Stripe. When you click this button, it will take you to a page where you can fill out all the information that you need in order to connect Stripe to your account. Stripe makes sure that you get paid for the products that you're selling. As you can see, it automatically populates Canada as your country. Your business website can be jiggity.ca. In my case, it is /test. You should have already created this. Then you have your business description. So in my case, I have a test product for personal services. Maybe it's for health and beauty spas. I can type in a quick description of my test account. So I'm just going to say this is a test account. Then here you can choose your type of business, and only you will know something like this if you are a corporation or a nonprofit. In my case, I am a nonprofit organization. I'm going to scroll down past everything, so I'm just going to go back up for everyone to see how this works. You need to put in the full legal business name. This is because they will be verifying this with tax ID purposes, so make sure that you put in your legal business name exactly as it is on your tax documents. If you have a business number, you need to type your 9 digits here. Obviously, you may or may not have this, and again, that's up to you whether you need to input this or not. Make sure that you type in the proper business address for your store, and then type in your full legal name. This has to be activated by someone who is authorized to sign on behalf of the organization. So please make sure that that person is filling this information out. Once you've added in your personal information, then you have the opportunity to edit what will show to the customer on the credit card statement. I recommend your company name. Then you can put in your support phone number, and then comes the bank details. Obviously, I don't know your bank detail information, so you will need to find this for yourself. If you have a void check, you can just scroll over the little gray I button, and it will show you where on the check each of these numbers are found. Make sure that you confirm your account number by typing it in twice. Once you've done that, you can choose how you would like to authenticate your account. It might be simple to use texting, in which case you just click the Use SMS button, and then you type in your mobile phone number and confirm. Once you've finished, make sure that you add an email address to sign in again in the future and your password. And then when you have done all of this, this button will activate that you can now click Authorize Access to this account. Just like it says here, you will be taken immediately back to jiggity.ca and you will be all set up for payments.